Keosaa sent me their electric toothbrush for my review. This one is the white one. It also comes in black and pink. And I think one of the absolute best parts about this is it actually comes with 8 brush heads. So there are 2 here, the other 6 are in here. And of course you do have the cord to charge it. And I just love how everything comes packaged so you know that it's just like, hasn't been used before, which is really, really great. It's got a really nice sleek design and feels really good to hold. And I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Okay, so we've got our clean mode, we've got our white mode, and then we have the massage mode. So you do have 3 different modes. It does have a 2-minute timer. So while you are using it, oftentimes they say you should be brushing your teeth for 2 minutes and just kind of move all in the different areas. So after 2 minutes, it will turn off to let you know, hey, you did a really great job. So yeah, as you can see in the video here, I am using it. I do like the size of the toothbrush head. I do also like, here that they all come with a cover. So especially when you are traveling, you've got this great cover to keep on top. Oh, I should probably turn that off. To keep on top of your brush right here. You've got some really nice, these are a soft bristle. So obviously that's going to be great for your gums. And yeah, so it's a really nice, sleek toothbrush. It's really great. Obviously it'll look nice sitting in your bathroom, or perfect size for when you're traveling.